Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how I replaced the front tire on my Xiaomi Mi 3 scooter, so if you're planning to do it yourself, this should help. At first I watched a few YouTube videos and thought, doesn't look too difficult, but man, was I wrong. I really struggled in a few parts, so take a look at my experience and maybe it'll save you some trouble. Up to this point, everything was going smoothly. Then I hit my first challenge. The valve on the inner tube just wouldn't come out. I ended up brute forcing it out of the rim. Later I realized there was a small plastic retainer inside the rim, designed to hold the valve in place. I should have just pushed it to release the valve. Pay attention to the orientation of the inner tube valve. It's slightly angled to one side. It should lean toward the valve cutout on the rim for a proper fit. Okay, so here you can see the plastic retainer I mentioned earlier. This time I wiggled it a bit to help slide the valve in. Don't forget to check the tire's orientation. It's marked with an arrow right on the tire itself. I found that trying to fit the tire by hand and a tire spoon like you would on a bicycle was nearly impossible, at least for me. So I did some research on YouTube and saw that people were using zip ties or clamps to help. I didn't have any clamps around, but I had plenty of zip ties, so I decided to go with that method. The final challenge was getting the tire fully onto the rim. I just didn't have enough strength to do it by hand, so I had to get my feet involved to push it on. Having a friend around to lend an extra pair of hands would have definitely made it easier, but unfortunately I was on my own. Again, sorry for the feet involved in the video, but I wanted to show just how desperate I got trying to fit that tire. In the end, I managed to squeeze the tire into place. I'm not sure if it was because the tire was old and the rubber was stiff, or if I just didn't have enough strength, but it definitely wasn't as easy as in some other YouTube videos. While editing the video, I realized that putting the zip ties on the valve side might have made fitting the tire easier. If you have experience changing scooter tires, please share in the comments what I might have done wrong. It could help both me and others next time. And that was the hardest part. After that, I reassembled everything in reverse order without any problems. So, what are the downsides of changing the tire yourself? Well, I did end up with a few scuffs on the rim paint. If your scooter is in mint condition, that might not be acceptable. But let's be honest, most scooters already have a few battle scars from daily use or small accidents, so a couple of extra marks probably won't make much difference. The benefits are pretty clear. You'll save some money and gain valuable experience. Who knows, after doing it yourself, you might even be able to help out a friend next time. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the support. Until next time.